Did you flip up your hoodie?
Are you getting video recording, Junior?
Did anything happen?
God.
So the salt didn't fall on you?
No, it did. I found it. Dude.
Oh,
Only impressing my fish on
I would actually do that, but I'm playing the game.
So after you
Yeah.
beast.
My turn?
Yeah, we'll find out.
Let me get some of your food.
Oh my god, dude. Just fucking lost.
You could get honest, man, right?
Okay, he does.
Yeah, I'm getting honest,
You
man.
fucking lost.
Hey, John, honest.
Fucking lost.
Fact.
Honest never actually comes in handy.
Good.
Ever. The fuck are you doing, Junior?
He's recording.
He's like closing up. You're like, he's all like,
Gotta get closer with that.
you see those no glare sleeves? No motherfucking glare! So your camera can record all that shit. I'm from Compton, nigga. Or no, what is it? From Maine. Michael? Yeah, you
I
salty.
really hope you don't do
Taking
anything.
forever.
And you were salty.
Boy.
Effect.
I really hope you don't do anything. Don't bottom this.
No, I can't. Huh?
He's fine?
Ooh.
Really?
Relax, it's okay.
Really?
Wow.
Effect?
I gotta set that.
He's fine? Factory?
Scooping fade, scooping housing. You wanna start blacking up?
Special that.
Up, blah.
And my shark. Why not my shark? Why not add that for next turn? Just in case, man.
What do you guys do? Okay, it's fine.
Ribbon effect.
Not gonna
JG.
Did you draw two?
Yeah, I did.
Effect go up.
Damn.
Or go through rotation.
So you can get another shark. Damn it. Why did you get rid of that big one?
Effect.
The third shark?
The other shark.
Didn't it destroy my battle?
Oh yeah, nothing damage.
That sucks, man. You don't know
It
how
is
much
my
that
battle,
sucks?
John.
Let's just go on with this.
Oh.
Tour bus effect.
I want some of the
Yeah, and
Mexican
Torbus
soda.
effect, I'm gonna add
Hey,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey,
I'll just add this.
We got 6 monsters.
Okay, I'll add carrier back with Torbus, and then add these 5 with 5 adders.
hey, give me some of your Mexican. I want some of the Mexican soda.
Dude,
All right,
where'd you get the Mexican soda?
from Bitchland, where he came from, where he was born and raised.
You serious?
Fuck you, I like man.
No,
I like
that's
Sorry,
no.
sorry, Mexican soda.
No, I got
Oh,
this one
wait.
from the Nicky's though. Yeah, where'd you get that from?
Yeah, you can get Mexican.
But they have. Well, they sell them at Nicky's,
So
Radio
why do you
Factory.
ask?
I wasn't for sure.
They sell them like
I know,
everywhere.
why ask? Shit.
Shut the fuck up.
This guy's opening
Oh man,
nuts
I already summoned.
Did normal?
on a negative one.
I don't know what I should do.
Your turn.
though.
But look,
Bitch.
I still ended up with 6
What I
cards.
should do.
Goddamn, Reaper is a broken ass card. Shoot with this card, destroy one spell trap card on the field, and then inflict 2,000 points of damage to your opponent's life.
What the fuck are you
It's
doing?
fucking broken.
My
You can
turn?
run 3 of those?
Get the fuck out of here.
You already did that.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, sir. Did his Reaper not go to the grave?
That's my second.
Did your spell or trap not go to the grave? Did you not lose 2,000 life points?
Calm down.
Reaper obviously must be attributed, destroy a card, and inflict 2 Gs.
Shut the fuck up.
He's being a little bitch because he got Mexican in him. Racist comment of the day, Pierre.
You lose 14?
Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah
You guys
blah.
Salvadorian or?
In phase, 1, 2, 3.
Your turn.
Time out. I gotta read it right.
Oh, we're actually,
know Pierre's
we're actually
password
gonna
now.
do life for?
Send top 2 cards.
We're actually gonna do life?
2.
Okay.
Alright.
I know it's possible.
Yeah, damn, this is gonna be a competitive game now?
Sends to the
Since I opened up with the
He
nuts,
sends 2.
but
Wait,
you opened up
Pierre.
with Tori?
Pierre, can you explain Garroth? What do you mean? Like,
It's your turn.
When he mills, does she get to mill?
Yeah. Whenever Lightsworn
And
mills,
face.
he mills too, and if for every Lightsworn he
Alright.
draws, he draws a card.
It's your turn. I.
Alright, I got
What?
Yeah.
You do nothing? You drew and everything? Wow.
Holy shit, 666.
Just saying.
Sure.
Oh man, this is broken.
Matthew, you fucked up.
Finish the factor.
Is there any other Mermos that discard besides Abyss Spike? Oh yeah.
That sounds like Pierre is salty because I've gone off on him twice now.
Are you serious?
Tour guide shark first. Now magician shark this time.
Being salty there.
Shark go down one.
Yes. Bitch. Come back.
You want me to just do it, or do you guys have I can stop it? Because whenever you get to stop it, go fuck that shit. It's useless against me.
Come back.
Oh, hell yeah. Effect. Discard.
Pretty bad.
Still some motion? Nah.
If it was those one roach, you wouldn't
already
waste
in
the
the
fucking route.
Yeah. I said those two. Banish. And.
You're not gonna use magician special case?
I don't want to. I mean, it just.
Right?
What do you
Favorite magician effect.
mm,
Get the hand from grave.
Wow.
I get this one first.
Oh.
My cards need to communicate.
Especially between the monsters.
Oh, actually, this is game.
Yeah, he does.
So, who do I attack with first?
You should drop it.
I should have. I forgot to. I forgot about that play.
Whatever. Use 50.
But I forgot. But this is game usually.
What?
This is game.
You're reborn?
Yeah.
Unless he tories your face away.
Unless I solve judge with that. Is it fine? Effect. Call.
Head face.
These nuts down your motherfucking throat.
Trade. And?
No.
Ooh, and
Call effect later?
not
Oh,
good.
monster.
Here you go.
If you change Bailey, it's just. It stops. Fuck it, let's just do this. Shark. There's no second shark. Special. Go fives. Go five.
You already said this one.
Go.
You just said this one.
Fuck it.
I go.
Hey,
God damn.
I wasn't lying about that judgment.
I know, just because you
He had the
Women
ball
effects.
sack right there, though.
Start. Special.
I had a rat in hand and the rat was coming back. Man, that was like the most brokenest ever.
That kind of was. If you'd opened like that every round of the fucking regional, you would have won instead of just invite.
I know.